Welcome to a new episode of Learn Croatian. This is the 9th one, and today we'll be talking about the present tense forms of the Croatian verb for to be, which is biti. Biti is also sein in German, and it's being used as a auxiliary verb, just as in German or in English, and in Croatian we say pomoćni glagol, or in German Hilfsverb. Let's look at the singular forms of the present tense. Ja sam, ti si, on, ona, ono, je. I think I stressed it a little bit too much here, so let's try it again. Ja sam, ti si, on, ona, ono, je. Which means I am, you are, and he, she, it is. So if we say ti si or you are, we are talking to one person that we know for good, and we are not being polite. Then let's take a look at the plural forms. Mi smo, vi, vi ste, oni, one su. Once again, mi smo, vi ste, oni, one su. So we say we are, you are, and they are. And if we say you are with a capitalized epsilon, we use the capitalized we in Croatian, and this means politeness, at least on a piece of paper and and in an official email. And if we take the non-capitalized, the small we, that means you're talking to a group of people. Alright, and what about oni and one? If we take oni, that means you're talking about a group of people consisted only of men only, or consisting of men only, or a mixture of men and women, no matter how many men or women there are in this group. And if we say one, that means the group consists of women only. Alright, so once again, I will link another video to this, because I already made one Learn Croatian video about the system of, or the what was the name, or the word I used, the concept of you in Croatian. So if you say you with a small epsilon or non-capitalized, it's just like talking to one person or a friend. If you take a big epsilon or a capitalized epsilon, it means politeness, and you're still talking to one person. And if you say you as a plural form, it means you're talking to a group of people. You guys go back again, or something like that, for example. Okay, thanks for watching and listening, and see you next time at the 10th Learn Croatian lesson. See you.